southwest, and western Pennsylvania, including the following areas: in northwest Pennsylvania, Jefferson, Pennsylvania, and Venango. In southwest Pennsylvania, Greene. In western Pennsylvania, Weather Bulletin. For the following counties, in Pennsylvania, Beaver, Butler, and Lawrence. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, Northern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, Southern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ellwood City, or 8 miles south of Newcastle, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cranberry, Newcastle, Butler, Beaver Falls, Ellwood City, Homeacre-Lyndora, Shanor-Northvue, Meridian, Zelienople, Seven Fields, Meadowood, Oak Hills, Oakwood, Evans City, Mars, Patterson Township, Big Beaver, New Beaver, Nixon, and West Mayfield. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds,